Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here. What it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so as you can see, we got some packages. But first you guys, I'm going to start with some friend mail. I got some friend mail from my girl Shonda. Dazzle Me 77. I just love her. I appreciate her so much. And she sent me a message saying that she sent me something, and it was like an hour or two later I went and it was outside my door. I was like, how thoughtful of her. That was so sweet. So let me, my box cutter. So let's open this up you guys. I wanted to wait to open this on camera. I've had this for a few days as well. So let's, oh, she is the, oh. Oh, look at that. Isn't that just the cutest? It has my name on there. Oh, and it's in purple. This is so sweet. And I love me a butterfly. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Shonda, girl, sis. Thank you, you guys. I love it. I love it. So let's see. Here's my box. This is how she has it packed. I don't want anything to break or fall. I was just in Kate Spade yesterday. Mommy needed a break. Do you hear me? Y'all wish I could scream. I wish. Oh my God, sis. Oh my God, sis. I wish you could see my face right now, but you know I'm tired, sis. Oh my gosh, sis, I was gonna buy this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. And it's purple, and I was going to buy this, but I knew I had just spent, you know, a lot of money. Oh my, thank you so much. I love it. I love, sis, hold on one moment. Hold on. So y'all know that I have this bag that I have yet to use. I just love the color. This just may force me to finally carry this. I love, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love it. And this, I love this. This is going to work perfectly. Do you hear me? Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I have had the week from hell. Do you hear me? Like with a sick baby. Oh my goodness. And it's more in here. It's, oh. Sis, so you know I'm gonna have, sis, it's on. Oh my goodness. Y'all, when I tell you my black Nolita, I have wore her out. Do you hear me? Wore her out. Oh my god, I needed something just a little bit bigger. Oh, she is the sweetest. And it comes with a little crossbody strap. And yes, so I can wear it like as a shoulder bag, or I can use this crossbody. It has the gold hardware. I love it. I love it. It has, look y'all, it has a little back pocket on the back. Yes, it has two slip pockets right here in the front. It has a zipper back here on the back. Thank you. Shonda, Oh, she is the sweetest, y'all. She is the sweetest. Oh my goodness. I was so not expecting this. And it's more. And she sent me some facial wipes. How did you know, sis? How did you know that I needed these? Oh my goodness, thank you. And then rose water. Thank you. And everything is in purple. I love it. I love it. And she sent me a beautiful pen in all the colors. Y'all, at my desk, my pens keep disappearing. Kids and husband. So, thank you so very much for this. And a butterfly. How did she know I like butterflies? I don't think I told her. Butterflies and ladybugs. I love it. I love it. I thank you so much. Thank you, Shonda. Thank you so much. When I finish this, you're gonna get a message from me. Thank you so much, sis. We can just stop the video, huh? No, I'm just playing. So, you guys, I also placed another order or two. So, let's open this. When I saw this, I was just online, you know, scrolling while I was at the hospital. And when I saw this, I was like, I saw somebody with this bag, but I couldn't put my finger on who. But I was like, I know I saw this bag. Somebody has it. And then it was like a day or two later when it dawned on me that it is Mo Knows Beauty. She has this bag in a different color, of course. So, y'all see where I've been again. I've been getting burned a lot lately, okay? So, I ordered a bag from MZ Wallace. And if you know anything about this brand comes, this bag comes in a lot of colors. Girl, they got it taped. Sis, they got it taped together. I don't want no foolery. Because I've been getting a lot of that lately. I just cut right through the name. So, this is the bag. Look at the color. This is the, I guess this is the Sutton bag. The extra small Sutton bag in the color. Ooh, wee, sis. This is metallic, of course, but I want to say this is anthracite. Anthracite. I hope y'all can y'all see it? Focus. Y'all, the light blinded me, so I hope y'all can see that. Okay, so I got this in the metallic color. I don't know why I was just looking at totes. And something just intrigued me about this. Okay, like it has the vachetta at the top. I don't know if this is treated or not, because that's one thing about Louis Vuitton bags that I don't like is the vachetta. So I'm gonna have to look into that and see. So it comes with a strap. Oh, it has a vachetta on the strap. The strap is adjustable. It has gunmetal hardware on here. I'm sorry if that was loud. This bag has the army fatigue, not army, but fatigue on the inside. It's the gray fatigue. So we have a pocket here. It's about as wide as my hand. Nice pocket on over here, and then we have a pocket on this side, zipper compartment. And inside of the zipper, there's two compartments inside of there. And it has vachetta all on the inside and the name. And also vachetta right here on the side of this pocket. What do we think, y'all? This bag, it did come in black and pink. I think Mono's Beauty has it in pink. In pink and silver. And it was so many different colors, y'all. Let me take the rest of this off. Okay, so now that it's a million years later, this is how it looks. And it comes with these little hooks right here. So you can take the look how they open. Look at that. So you can, girl, take the little hook and you can hook it right here. And it changes the shape of the bag. Look at that. Let me hook the other side. Girl, all this vachetta. That's what I don't like. Is this not cute, y'all? Is this not cute? I think I love it. I think we finally got a winner. Or if you don't want it that way, I think you can clip them together. Don't quote me, sis. But I think you can carry it like this some kind of way. I think I saw it like that. I love this. And it has the MZ Wallace and the gunmetal as well. I think we got a winner. Here's the bottom. Look at the little feet. Look at that. And it says MZ Wallace in the middle. I needed to win. Doggone it. Finally, we got something that we love. Yes. And then look. Perfect. Doggone, dazzling, girl. Yes. I needed this in my... Next. Oh, hold on, y'all. While I'm talking about next, let's figure out how you put these straps on. Oh, I guess you attach the strap like that. Okay. So, this is how it looks with the strap. This is so cute. I love this color. I didn't know if I really would, but I do. Next. Alright, y'all. So, I also got it in purple. I could not decide which color I wanted. So I was just like, sis, get them both. If you don't like them or you don't like one, take it back. So I had to get this in purple because I knew I had got that green bag. The material, the material seems, it feels a little different. Let me put this down. Act right now. Girl, I got paper everywhere. The material feels a little different. The purple one feels more like more nylon-y. This one feels a little bit more, I can't explain it, but like, it's not plastic, but you get what I'm saying. Like, if it's plastic, it's the real good, thick plastic. But it's not plastic. I can't explain it, y'all. I can't. But here's the purple one. This one has silver hardware on it. What do we think? What is this color? This is the color Amethyst. I am a amethyst. I am a February baby. So this is my birthstone. Yes. I'm not gonna lie though, I like that one better. I think it's the material. And it has the same makeup on the inside. It's just like a lavender purple on the inside, but it does have the machete and everything. And it even says MZ Wallace on the zipper pull. And the strap on here matches in purple. How did Dazzle know? How did Shonda know to send it? Oh, it was fate. It was truly fate, you guys. I love this. Do I keep them both? That is the question. I really love this one. I really like this one. These were 100 and I want to say these were $185. Yeah. 100. Which one, y'all? Should I keep them both? Should I keep them both or should I just keep this one? Because you know I have the other purple bag. These are so cute. These are so cute. And look, y'all, it stood up all by itself. I think because of the strap. Without the strap, it kind of slouches a little bit on the, it kind of slouches if it doesn't have any weight in it. These are so cute. Y'all, I have a mess. Oh my goodness. It is a mess. Alright, you guys. So that concludes my unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much again to Shonda because everything that she sent, it goes with the bags. Like, I love it. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you guys and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.